It's me once again. See, I have literally been sitting here, all day long. And in between me sitting here, I have been able to make like 4 videos while doing my work. Of course, this is what I like to do. You see, when I'm working and I realize that there is something I have to share with you, I bring up my phone. Right now, I'm recording on my phone and I go ahead and whip out a video, just a way of me documenting all what I'm doing, what I'm going through, the challenges, the wins and stuff like that. See, there's every reason why you should see this because some people still believe that, being a reseller entails that you are sitting by the beach with your laptop and you are kind of, pushing some buttons and money is coming to you. See, that is really, really far away from the truth. You see, my eBay shop has been pretty much put on rinse and repeat on autopilot for many years. I'm not building the eBay shop again. As a matter of fact, I'm even shrinking things down. I no longer buy anything that I'm not sure will not sell. And I am also very, very careful the way I buy stuff because I don't want to keep tying my money on inventories that don't sell. See, that I did for the better part of 10 years. And right now, the way I am doing my business, I'm making sure that, look, if I put money in a particular inventory, I am going to get returns for that transaction. Of course, there's going to be give and takes, transactions going south. Yes, that happens. I'm aware of that. And I have already, made allowance for something like that. But I'm talking about, normal occurrences. See, the business has been put on rinse and repeat. The template, the listing process, shipping, reacting to customer requests, stuff like that has been put on rinse and repeat. Photographs have been saved on my computer. I no longer have to pretty much make photographs every time I want to sell a new item, except in rare situations where that PC or the laptop, I do not have it. But pretty much the laptops, the phones, the tablets that I would love to sell, I already have the photos of them. So when I get a new inventory from a supplier, all I need to do is to whip up the original listing and just go ahead and start to deal. All right. This is me not working on my eBay shop anymore, like burning the midnight candles. I'm coming to that. You see, I'm working on YouTube side of things, the content creation side, making sure that these accounts that are associated with my eBay activities are monetized. All right. I also have a monetized channel, which is pretty much already put on rinse and repeat. But this Hardwareflipper channel, I also have another channel that documents my activities here in Germany. These are the channels that I'm actively working on. But today, I got a little bit of a leeway, so to say. My wife was like, okay, she wants to travel somewhere with the kids and just spend some time at the beach. I was like, okay, you can actually do that. I will be at home. And when I received that, I realized that I had time to actually go back to my eBay, shop to actually take a look at something that I haven't taken a look in a very long time. So I went in, I was taking a look and just thinking, what can I change? One of the things that I saw that would be good if I would change it was the banner that I have on my listing template. It's not like it wasn't good, but it's just what it is. I've had this banner for pretty much over 1 year. I felt like, what if I make something a little bit more recent, given that, the AI systems, ChatGPT in this case, have become so good. Their image generation, powers have become like really, really good. Let me go ahead and whip up something, using AI and just a little bit of me manipulating the images on Photoshop and stuff like that. Guys, I'm telling you, I just went into a rabbit hole. At the end of the day, I ended up editing my HTML code for my eBay template again. It is not easy, guys. When I started going through the rabbit hole, changing a little thing and realizing that the whole code is broken, trying to fix it with AI, and then you realize that it gives you a little bit of a new kind of error, and then you try to fix that error. The picture doesn't align properly. The bars, the banner is too small for the template. Then you fix that and something else just gets broken. And then you fix it on mobile or desktop. You go to mobile to try to check and see if everything is well displayed. Nothing works. Guys, I started this job at about 9 o'clock in the morning, and right now it's 10 o'clock in the evening. And when I finished, because right now I have just checked, I'm clicking on the mobile version of the template. I have just tested it on one particular listing. Everything seems to be well displayed the way I want it to be. And I've gone to my mobile version, the mobile app of eBay to check things. And I've also seen that everything properly displays. But when I raised my head, I realized that it was, 10 o'clock in the evening, something I started pretty much like 9 o'clock in the morning. Didn't go anywhere, didn't do any shipping, didn't go to the warehouse today being Friday. There was no sale. It was a perfect day to come into this rabbit hole. But the thing is, when I finished, I realized that, man, this was something I did, pretty much more than 2, 3 years ago. This research, there was a time I was researching, listing with the CSV file. It took me well over 6 months. There was a time I was trying to make sure that, my banner, the eBay banner that I use or the eBay listing template was developed. It took me well over 2 months. All right. I'm talking about 2 months of dedicated work, not just 2 months of sometimes sleeping, playing or going out. 2 months of just sitting down on this chair and just doing what I have to do, right? When I finished right now and I saw it, I was like, this is the reason why a lot of people give up. Because for you to be able to do this, you have to have a special kind of skill set. I'm telling you, this is not a skill set that you just read from books. You have to be built a certain way. You have to be somebody that even hates going outside. And people are going to call you a weird person. And I'm just sorry to break this news to you. It's pretty much what it is, because in the beginning, you are going to be saying no to a lot of things just because you want to be able to save time, because whatever you are trying to build takes time. And that time, you may not have it if you have other things going on. If you have a job, which is a full-time job, you have a family, you have kids, that time is gone. So for you to be able to recoup that time a little bit, it will not be that on your weekends, you won't be able to go out. If you go out, you're going to be very, very impatient to come home and continue. And most times, the things that you are working on might not even be working. And that's the discouraging part. And you'll be asking yourself, why do I have to say no to these birthday activities, to this going to the beach, to come and be doing what is not even working? That is the most, mentally tough part. Is a warfare. But the thing is, if you're able to go through that phase, which might also be for a long time, mind you, if it was just for 6 months, now I'm telling you, a lot of people would just, bootstrap themselves and go through that phase. But sometimes this phase can be as long as 10 years. You're doing the same thing, it's not working. People will give up on you. People will call you, all sorts of names to discourage you. But if you are built a certain way, just like I said, all these things doesn't come to you. It doesn't matter how negative people are around you. Even when people are seeing no hope, no road, you, for some funny reason, yes, for some funny reason, you will be seeing hope. All right. You, for some funny reason, will see a way out of the so many chaos that people might be pointing at you. They'll be telling you, look, these things don't sell. These things don't work. People tried this before, they gave up. They went back to normal jobs. But for some funny reason, because you are built a certain way, you will just keep doing this thing. You sell an item, you make losses, but next day you are back again with your hard-earned money to the market, trying to buy stuff. You see, this was just a very brutal or like a rude reminder for me that, look, this is exactly why out of 100 people that you might be coming across, maybe 2 are ready to go, put in the extra work that is necessary to succeed. Just 2. I'm telling you, out of 100, you might be shocked that only just one person is actually ready to say, you know what, no matter what it takes, even if I cannot make profit for a very, very long time, I am ready to do what I have to do to build this business, to build this content machine, to build this reselling business, to build this, service, rendering service to people, a business, whatever it is, to be better at my music craft, to be better at my painting, to be, whatever it is that you want to achieve, you have to be built a certain way. Some people have claimed that, yes, you can be motivated to being that person, but I submit to you that most of the time you must be built a certain way. These are the traits that God just bestow on you, the universe gives you from nowhere, and most times they are just in you. If you start to activate them, you're going to see that yes, you actually have this trait. I've seen people that actually did try their best, but because they didn't have these traits, for one reason or the other, they will still give up, because not everybody is cut out to be in business. Not everybody is cut out to actually go through this narrow path. Some people are supposed to just wake up, go to school, get a normal job, call it a day. While others are supposed to, get a normal job, combine it with, trying to provide service across the internet physically, through brick and mortar shops or stuff like that. Why some people, their main calling is just to only be, having that business. They have no business having a normal job. It doesn't matter what kind of job you give to them. They are never going to be satisfied. They're going to always look for a way to leave that job. It is what it is. I felt like sharing it with you guys. A moment from now, I should be going to bed to sleep. I'm happy that I achieved a lot. Hopefully tomorrow I'm going to continue. And by next week, which is like Monday, Tuesday, I'll be free again to just keep rocking this eBay thing as well as this content thing. I hope this video motivates you somehow to understand that, look, this thing that you are trying to do, in case you are feeling discouraged right now for some reason, you do not see things working, hang in there. You see, that which you seek, you are ultimately going to get it. Until I see you again in the next video. Peace out.